Hey my gems, welcome to my updated skincare nighttime routine. I'm just finishing up writing in my woman's journal. I'm about to light one of my favorite candles called the Soft Life because we're going to have a soft life with soft, smooth skin. So this particular vlog, I'm going to start off with waxing. Of course, your girl gets some little chin hairs, so I got to wax those off, and then I'm going to also wax my underarms as well. So I'm going to show you the whole process. I'm going to go ahead and pack my hair up and put on my skincare headband. Amazon has an awesome 5-pack of headbands. I'll link that below for you as well. And any other products that you like will probably most likely be linked below. Also, you can follow my Amazon storefront. So this particular headband is from Vanity Planet, and I just kind of like it because it's just simple and it wraps around and twirls and just stays still. Then I'm going to follow up by checking the wax because by now it's melted. As you can see, it's nice, smooth. This wax kit as well is also from Amazon. I don't want to be too hot, so I'm going to lower down the temperature because I don't want to burn my skin, of course. We don't want any of that, do we? The wax does come with a pre-wax and a post-wax. So I'm going to spray the pre-wax on my chin and wherever else I'm going to be waxing, and it just kind of preps the skin. And as you can see, of course, I'm going to do the whole chin, let it dry for a little bit, and peel. Next, you're going to see me get into the shower so I can just fully give myself a nice bath and wash. If you want to see what bath products I do use, I'll link them below for you. Now I've taken my shower, so I'm just kind of showing you what I did. I used these 5-pack of facial brushes. They get them from Amazon as well, with my Gentle Cleanse Exfoliator. And then I'm going to use the after wax just to kind of make sure it kind of helps people from getting any undergrown hairs or ingrown hairs. So just spray it on my little cotton swab and wipe around. Like I told you, I did wax and exfoliate my armpits, so I'm going to make sure I put the after wax in that area as well. I'm applying my serum to my armpits. It's supposed to be a lightening serum. I've been using that for a while. But next, of course, you have to moisturize your skin. After you take a shower, don't allow your skin to drop too much. So I'm using my Shea Parlor Butter Skincare Body Butter. It smells so good. I love it. And I'm going to see, like, because my skin is still moist and still wet, it's just going to melt really, really good. And you'll see the shine on it. Look at that. Look at that glow, honey. Now, if you don't have a skincare fridge, baby, get yourself one. I love mine's from Good Molecules, so I'm bringing out all my products that I'm going to use for tonight. And the good thing about the fridge, nothing feels more better to me than a nice cold product on your face. And I'll show you what all the products are. Most of them are from Good Molecules. I use a toner, a nighttime exfoliator, discoloration serum, and my lip kit is from Ifebob Beauty. You can get the code Naijakhloe 15 to receive 15% off as well. So this is the Ifebob Beauty lip scrub. Gotta scrub your lips. I only do this once a week, you guys, because you don't want your lips to peel too much. So this is like an exfoliator, and it kind of has a red tint, and it also kind of tastes good. You have no choice but to kind of taste it. So I washed up with warm water, pat dry my lips. Next, I'm going to use part 2, which is the lip treatment, and you just kind of let that lip treatment stay on your lips. It kind of has like a pink tint to it. And you just let it sit on there for a bit while I'm going to finish doing the rest of my skincare routine. So now while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and start my toning with my Good Molecules. So I have my little face pads, and I'm going to put the toner on there and just kind of see me do circular motions on all sides. On each side of my face, I use a different part of the pad wipes. So you can get these from any of your local drugstores, CVS, pharmacy areas, or you can order them online through Amazon as well. But mine's just from my local drugstore, CVS or Walgreens. And you can see I'm doing a nice circular motion, getting those discoloration marks, especially around my chin area and my cheekbone. And you do this at least 2 or 3 times a week, not every day. You don't want to tone every day. Next, of course, I'm going to go ahead and use the exfoliating serum, and it's nice and cool. Like I said, get yourself a skincare fridge if you don't have one already. Amazon has them as well. After this exfoliating cream, they have a discoloration serum All of these are from Good Molecules. I like their brand. I just got introduced to them last week when I was working with them through a collaboration, and I've just been using them ever since, and I see the results. So this is the exfoliating night cream serum. You only use this twice a week. I'm kind of fanning it to let it dry. Fan, 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 fan. And of course, you just gotta admire yourself in the mirror, you know what I'm saying? But yes, now I'm going to go ahead and use this Exfoliation serum, put it in my hand, and just circle it and pat it in and let it dry as well. And one of the things you have to always make sure is bring your product down to your neck, because there's no point of your face looking nice and your neck does not as well. So I have a guava board. I actually sell these on my Naijakhloe website. You can get a headband with one of these, and I put these in my fridge too. It's nice and cool, and you just kind of use it to massage your face and your lip glands and just go all the way down. I just put on the Ifebob lip balm. Like I said, it's a trio kit. You get all three of the items for your lip. So this is the nighttime balm. You can see my lips have that nice cherry red pop, and it just kind of helps with the discoloration of lips and gives your lips a nice pink tone. So I don't know about you, but I love smelling good at night. So my lotion smells good, and I just use a little simple Victoria's Secret body spray and just spray everywhere else. Now this is the final result, my e.l.f. Cosmetics Skincare Nighttime Moisturizer, and that stays in my fridge as well. And I'm going to put it on and just moisturize my face down all the way down to my neck. And if I have any residual, I'm definitely going to put it on my hands, because my hands could use some skincare too as well, because your neck and your hands age the quickest. And you can see your girl is just glowing and looking nice. So kind of putting everything together, putting everything away as I'm using it. But I love the results. So I hope you're able to follow along and you see that glow, and I'll see you next time. Toodles. Good night.